Welcome back to Northwest Auto Body, and we are going to do a more extensive and layered fiberglass repair today. We're going to call this one Fiberglass 102. And from here we're going to have to do many layers with different mediums, and Drake's going to show you how to get that done.
Here's another Freightliner nose from my buddy John. This one's got a little bit more extensive damage than the one before. Sometimes when fiberglass get hit, it doesn't want to stay where it used to be. As you can see, it springs back. So while we're doing that, we're going to have to take care of all that tension and get it to where it's going to lay back to where it's going to be. Then we're going to have to fiberglass this in a couple of different layers. We're going to have to do like a first layer here to anchor in the piece where we want. Then we're going to have to cut out all of this extraordinarily damaged layers and completely replace them. And this is how that happens. Here's what it looks like after we have the fiberglass all laid down. Now we just got to wait for it to set up and let it set up good, because this one's got a little bit of spring tension on it. Once she gets good and hard, I can take the tape off, take the clamp off, and start working on the second half of the repair. Here we go with step 2 of this process. First part is already catalyzed. It's all nice and hard. It's holding everything where it needs to be. Now we're going to get all this broken, chipped up fiberglass out of this upper part of the repair, chopped out, removed, so we can lay in some new fresh fiberglass. Here's what it looks like with the second stage glassed in and hardening up nicely. Once both of these fully firm up tomorrow morning, we'll go around on the backside, grind out the backside of the repairs and glass them from the backside, and they should be completed. This is what the back side of the repair looks like before we get it prepped and ready for fiberglass. Here's the finished backside repair. Fiberglass mat and resin are in here and curing. Once it dries, we'll sand it down a little bit and spray some undercoating on the backside.